So here we have the Unity download archive, right? We have Unity 5, which was actually the instructions to read notes and everything else here, right? So I'm going to tell you about firstly about release. Actually, we do have in for server. So this is actually the release here, and this is the creator who are able to log in to the production of specific version of LTS Unity, right? So if you are going for a long-term project, only go for LTS version support, right? Project won't break. So then we have the text stream version. The text stream is for creators who value getting audiences and they are released twice a year. So I won't recommend projects in LTS because tech releases purely for experimental uses. Have Unity Hub, the software that I showed you. This is actually Unity Hub, right? So this is the software that I showed you, and then we have